20, 30 Amazon accounts, that's when those things are important.
That I'm aging for March set up for a month because I've gotten banned, or well, not suspended, but like orders canceled on another account. Yeah. And I got
you should probably make 3 accounts in total.
like per eBay account, you think?
Two Amazon accounts per eBay is like a good way of thinking about it. Minimum. You want to be more secure, go for 3.
Yeah.
Even if you don't buy Prime, just having them sit, waiting for a rainy day.
I'm only using different Chrome browsers, nothing like different IPs or anything.
When you're getting to 20, 30 Amazon accounts, that's when those things are important. Create 4 Chrome profiles, warm them up for a week, and then you should you can start using them slowly.
I'm actually making too many sales. I almost feel like so I'm using. I like not to use. So I'm warming up one Amazon account and the other one's well aged. But I think I got I think it was 11 orders today. So I used one on the. I'm only gonna order one on the Amazon account that I'm aging for March set up for a month because I've gotten banned, or well, not suspended, but like orders canceled on another account. Yeah. And I got I ordered 10 on one account. But I do want to ask, do you have any? Because I remember you said 5 is guaranteed. Yeah. Amazon won't go for you.
So you should definitely have you should probably make 3 accounts in total.
Per eBay account, you think?
2 Amazon accounts per eBay is a good way of thinking about it.
Okay.
Yeah, at a minimum. You want to be more secure, go for 3.
Yeah.
Even if you don't buy Prime, just having them sit, waiting for a rainy day is gonna I'm assuming that you're aiming for 15, 20. So you should account for that today and have 4 accounts waiting for you.
Well, yeah, I mean, ideally right now I'm at about 9.2 or so for my 2K for my first account. So I'm mostly in the phase of optimizing that one. But the other one I'm at 1.5, and I certainly want to, obviously I eventually want to get that into the high 9s, close to 10.
Right. Create the infrastructure for the Amazon 4 accounts. Yeah,
that was good. And I think I did 3, or I think I did one day and then 3 or 4 the next day, and they were just canceled, weird activity.
Yeah. So regarding creating the Amazon account, did you watch that Amazon account creation video?
It's very simple. I'm only using different Chrome browsers, nothing like different IPs or anything.
Yeah, you can do that for 4 Amazon accounts.
Yeah.
When you're getting to 20, 30 Amazon accounts, that's when those things are important. Yeah. Right now you can watch the Amazon account creation video, finish it just to kind of get the base down, and then from there create 4 Chrome profiles, warm them up for a week, and then you should you can start using them slowly.
I mean, I don't know if you remember, it's been a while, but I forgot about the custom SKUs again on my new account, and I had to have thing assigned to something, have the tracker add the SKUs. But I swear for some of them, something weird's going on, because for a bunch of them it just doesn't add, and I have no idea what gives. It's fully updated, and it's it runs perfectly fine for, if I had to guess, probably 2/3 of them have a custom label SKU, but then a third of them it just doesn't add them. And when I watch it, just I turn off price and stock monitoring when I'm doing that, and it just goes all yellow to it or whatever color it does. And I don't know if there's a reason for that, or if there's anything I can do to change that.
So regarding that, we're gonna have to investigate what's going on. So what I would tell you is message Nuyin to have a look at your eBay account.
Sure.
Add the SKUs, and then he'll probably be able to fix it for you. Yeah.
It's the one spelled Noyon.
You'll be able to give you some support and then kind of solve that problem for you.
I got, I think, 7 sales in 4 days, and I'm just bulk listing. Say in the first 3 months is when, if you get huge spikes in sales, it's when it matters, because I listed 40 POD products, right? Got 2 sales, and now I'm literally just listing 300 a day. Do you think I should continue with that, or slow down?
Show 100 items a day for 90 days.
Even if the account's aged? The account has been there for 3 months, and I was just had POD stuff on it. So now I'm getting a big spike in sales because I had 2 orders before.
Then slow down.
Okay.
You'll know when spikes are happening, right? Just right now you're probably at the point where this business work. So there's no rush.
That's true.
If you want to rush it, that you gotta make multiple accounts. But I would say for now, bring it down to 200 items a day.
Okay.
Maybe if you're getting spikes, then just continue with 100 a day for now.
Okay.